right, guys, so this is just a really quick video about what a template is and then also how to create your own template. And you're creating a template not necessarily to use in the yearbook, but it's going to be your workspace. It's going to be where you apply the design skills that I teach you. And this week it's going to simply be to create a text box. So we're going to really take it step by step. So just really quickly, what a template is a laid out spread without any photos, without any text, but boxes and what we call dummy text that we can use on spreads as kind of a pre-made prototype of a design. Okay, and then what this does is it helps create consistent design throughout the yearbook. And we do want consistency. We want variety, but we do want some consistency. And so that's what templates are actually for. And we do use those occasionally. So I'll get more in depth with that. But you guys will be creating a template today and you'll be titling it your name. And again, this is just a place that you can kind of work from. Okay, so just really quickly to kind of show you, to give you a visual of this idea of templates. The next, I think, 3 spreads here you can see, and I'll just kind of go back and forth between them. You know, just really quickly as you're looking at them, you immediately see consistency, right? We have this this shape, this little graphic here, kind of like a parenthesis, you know, all throughout these spreads. Now, they're not exactly the same as far as the placement of the photos up here, but there's consistency within the headline, and there is consistency down here. And so that's kind of, you know, just for you to understand templates, that's the purpose of them. To create a template, you're going to go back and log into walsworthyearbooks.com and then click on online design just to kind of show you again how to do that. And then from here, to get to custom templates, you're going to click on your plan book tab. And I think you'll see this. You can see kind of like an overview of all of the spreads, but you're going to click on custom templates right here. And there's a bunch of stuff in this right now, guys. Sometimes I probably need to clear out some of this, but what you're going to do is you're going to create a new custom template. Don't worry about all of those others. Title it where it says add name right here. Make it your name. So I'm going to say Sally Seashell because that's my student name. Save. And then it does get alphabetized. So if you want to just use this search, you know, when you come to this page, Sally, okay, there it is. So in order to get into my template, I'm going to click edit. And the first thing that I always do is go to view, show grid, full pica. So once you're here, this is your template. This is not an actual spread in the yearbook, but it could be eventually if we wanted it to be. So first thing we're going to do in online design, I'm not going to go over all of this in one video. That would be too much. You're going to create a text box. So right on the left, you would click text, and then you would actually draw a box. Hold it, click and hold down, draw a box. And then I want you to just type your name in the text box, just so you have some text. And then over here is where you can manipulate your text a little bit, okay? So how you would do that is you would select your name, and if I wanted to change the font, here are the fonts that we are working with right now. I'm just gonna click on Blue Highway, and then I can make it big. What I want you to do is just pick a font, really blow it up big so I can easily see it. You can center it, you can align it left, align it right, justify it, and again, you can change several other things here, but all I want you to do for this is to simply create the text box, type in your name, make it big, pick a font, so I know that you know how to create a text box.